What's wrong, Shy Guy?
I don't know. Something about this place seems different. I just can't put my finger.
Shy Guy, look out!
What? Where? Are you pointing to that tree?
Yeah, watch out. It's a tree.
Okay. So, anyways, as I was saying, this place would... What's going on? The tree's attacking me! Get it off! Get it off! Thanks for saving me. How did you know that tree was going to attack me?
All trees attack sometime or another. Someday, you'll learn that.
Oh, okay. Sure. Wow. What a strange place. I wonder...
Shy Guy, look out!
Oh God, is it another tree?
No, it's a house.
Is the house going to attack me too?
No, it isn't. Now hand over your wallet.